Okay, Azrael, I'd like you to help me with this problem, please. Would you help set it up? What do we have first?
1 pawn
Yes,
plus 2 more pawns
yes,
plus a 10.
good.
The other side 4 pawns
Uh-huh.
plus a 9 pawn.
Okay, good. So now that we have the equation set up, do you see any way to simplify? Do you see any legal moves? 1, 2, 3. Okay, wow.
Okay, that one would be a 1.
How much is it?
1.
1. Okay, let's lower this.
Okay, 10.
And let's write x equals 1.
1.
Uh-huh. And let's set up the original problem one more time in order to do the check.
Thirteen.
How much?
13.
Okay, please write 13 equals 13.